So today I'm about to show you how to customize a system prompt in Flowith.io. If you want your AI agents to always follow specific rules, use a consistent tone, or stick to strict output formats, you do not need to rewrite those constraints every single time. Instead, you can save them directly as a custom system preset. To set this up, look at the main input workspace on your canvas. Find and click on the preset button located directly under or next to the main prompt bar. From the drop-down menu, click the option that says Add a new preset. A dedicated configuration box will open up on your screen. This is where you can type out your specific core rules, background context, and instructions. Give your preset a clear name, click Save, and it will be restored on your personal preset library. Now, whenever you start a new flow, you can load your custom system prompt with a single click to tailor your workflow for maximum efficiency. And that's it. That's how to customize a system prompt in Flowith.io. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.